Hi guys, it's West Coast Arachnids. This is feeding video number 4, part 6. This is cancerides, a Haitian Brown Bird Eater. They're juveniles. Most of these have just molted within the last week, and they are ready to eat. Now I've got two different setups here. This is the preferable setup, and this is the beginning setup that I had them in when they were juveniles, and I couldn't get them to feed too hard. This is my first time attempting this way, so we're going to see which way is better. I left these two the same way, and this one over on the left, the cancerides number 1, I changed his enclosure right before he molted, so about a week or two ago. So we're going to go ahead and try and feed him right now, see what kind of response we get. And bang, right off the bat, he took that down like a bull after a matador. Awesome colors. I'll snap a few pictures when I'm done here. And this one, these guys are down in a hole. I mean, that's what they are. They're down in holes, and I don't know how well they're going to feed, or if they will, or if I'm going to have to leave the crickets in. I don't like to leave the crickets in there. Just due to the fact that they could injure the tarantula or kill it. So we're gonna see if we can manipulate that cricket towards the hole there more, where the web is. I know they'll probably eat, but it'd be much more convenient just to be able to put that food in there. Here he comes, he's coming out after it. It's a standoff. Cricket doesn't want to move. I guess like me here is crickets now. It's like summertime all year round. You see, that's what I mean. They don't want to eat. Now the other one, I just took the hide off of him and left him right where he was sitting. I see he's striking at it. But I think that's just the cancerides' defensiveness. They can get quite defensive. Alright, I'm going to leave him alone. I know he'll get that. And this one here, there is absolutely no way I'm going to get a feed on a video of this guy. Because it's literally way down in there. I mean, he's touching web right now. Theoretically, that tea should come straight out after him if he's hungry enough. And this guy in the middle here, he even looks bigger than that one. But none of them have fed for at least a week and a half to 2 weeks. Oh, here we go, you see? He's coming up now. You can feel it on the web. That guy's got his the crickets in the hole there, and he's fighting with it. Come on, you can take that cricket. It's like, that's my house. Still a standoff there. And this guy's over here happily munching on his food. So once these guys feed in a day or so, I'm going to be changing their enclosures. They probably need it anyway. Get some new substrate in there. And just give them minimum substrate with a hide and maybe a plant or two. That guy got the cricket off camera too. Dang it. Cricket must have moved. Can't really see down there. And this guy's just chicken of the sea. Come on, go down in there and get him. Oh, I think he got him. Yeah, there it is. He got him. He bit him anyway. Let him go. Might retreat to come back and get him later. He's like, he's not giving up his home, forget it. I think he's got him now. Yeah, he's got him. So all three of them have eaten. That's awesome. Getting some actual sort of feeding video. Sorry again, my cold's really hindering the way I talk. Anyway, it's West Coast Arachnids. Please subscribe to the channel, it would help us out a lot. If you like any of these videos, please click that thumbs up and throw some comments down below. Tell me what you think of the videos, where it can be improved, or if it's good, or what you might like to see, anything at all. I will respond to your comments as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.